Corporate actions, key concepts. Let's understand the difference between voluntary corporate actions and mandatory corporate actions. A mandatory corporate action is an action which has been issued by the issuer of the securities and the investor has no choice but to take it. For example, a stock split. Once the stock split has been approved by the shareholders at the AGM and the board of directors has agreed to split the stock, then no investor can say that they will not like their stock to be split. Such an example where the issuer has taken the shareholders' approval before enforcing the corporate action and thereafter ratifying it with the AGM means it's a mandatory corporate action. A voluntary corporate action, on the other hand, is a corporate action where the investor must mark and let know what is his preference. For example, if the company has issued a rights issue to the existing shareholders, then the existing shareholder must let the issuer know whether they want to subscribe to the rights issue or not subscribe to the rights issue. This is totally dependent upon the investor because they have to pay for the rights, and therefore rights issues are called as voluntary corporate actions. The main difference between mandatory corporate actions and voluntary corporate actions is that the investor has no choice. In the case of mandatory corporate actions and in the case of voluntary corporate actions, they have to let the issuer know what is the action they're going to take on the corporate action event that has just been notified.